Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to customize the page flip transition in your Simplebooklet. You can control how your pages flip for both desktop and mobile views, creating a smooth, dynamic experience that matches your booklet style. So we're going to get started here today on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Page Flip button. Next, we're going to go to Page Flip Transition and click on the pencil icon next to it to edit it. So by default, you'll see Desktop Transitions. We have a number of different options to choose from. We have page spread options, single page, and then trifold and gatefold as well, but these options are only available for Simplebooklets with 6 or 8 pages. So I'm going to go ahead and click the page curl option here. So now that I've picked a desktop transition, I'm going to go ahead and click on the mobile tab up here so that I can pick a mobile transition. As you can see, we have a number of different options for these as well. And yeah, your mobile and desktop transitions, they don't have to be the same. You can pick different ones depending on the style or vibe that you're looking for. And I would honestly recommend just trying out a bunch of different ones and seeing which one matches your Simplebooklet the best. And so once we've decided on both of those, we're going to go ahead and click on the settings icon up here. And here's where we can edit our page flip transition settings. So you can customize the flip timing. So you can choose between auto and manual. If you go with the auto option, you can change how long it will take for your page to turn, and then how often as well. You can customize the direction of your page flip, so from left to right or right to left. You can choose whether your first page displays as a single page or double. And then you can also decide if you want to include a fold shadow or not. And what that does is basically just give the illusion of depth for your booklet. But yeah, once you've decided on all your different settings and transitions, you can go ahead and click on the Apply Page Flip button down here. And that will save all your changes. And then if you want to test them out and see how they look, you can just come to the preview button up here. So we can check out exactly how our transitions will look to our viewers. Cool. And so this is the desktop option, but I can check out the mobile audience view as well. Very cool. Custom page flip transitions engage readers right away from the awareness stage. Smooth effects keep them interested during the attention stage, and dynamic page flips deepen immersion, encouraging them to explore your content fully. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.